Hello children, welcome to 7th Science online classes. Chapter 6 Physical and Chemical Changes. So in the last class we studied physical changes. You know that what are physical properties? Shape, size, color and state of a substance. They are called physical properties. And a change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties, it is called physical change. Example, cutting of wood, cutting of paper. These all are the examples of physical change. A physical change is generally reversible and no new substance is formed. So these are the things we studied in the last class. And today we are going to see chemical changes. Chemical changes. So for studying chemical changes, we have to look some activities. So first activity is burning of magnesium ribbon. Magnesium is a metal. So this magnesium we can available like a ribbon, okay, a small strip. And get a small piece of a thin strip or ribbon of magnesium. So for doing this activity, we have to take a thin strip or a ribbon of magnesium. And before going to burn the magnesium ribbon, first we have to clean the tip using a sandpaper. After cleaning, bring the tip near a candle flame. It burns with a brilliant white light. So when it burns, you can see a brilliant white light. And it is dangerous to look for long at the burning of magnesium ribbon. When it is completely burned, it leaves behind a powdery ash. Okay, the same like when you burn a paper. When you burn a paper, after burning, you will get some black ash. But here, magnesium, after burning of magnesium ribbon, you will get a powdery ash, but its color is white. So we will see the video also here. See, burning of magnesium ribbon, and he collected that ash in this glass. See, so this is the ash. Okay, I'm showing once again. This is the burning of magnesium ribbon, and you get the bright light, a dazzling light of magnesium ribbon is burning. You will get that color, that light, white light. See children, so now we observed magnesium ribbon burned and we get some powdery substance or ash, white ash. And this change we can written in the form of a chemical equation. So this equation is not in your mathematics equation. This is a chemical equation. Okay children. So first we saw that activity, magnesium burned. So that magnesium burning, that we can represent by one chemical equation. Okay. So now we will see how we can write that chemical equation. Magnesium ribbon. So you just remember that activity, magnesium ribbon. So that magnesium, and it is represented by like this, Mg, capital M and small letter G, that is magnesium. Magnesium burned with burned means burning which gas is helping for burning? Oxygen gas. So magnesium plus oxygen. Okay, oxygen is represented like this, O2, oxygen gives. So you can see one arrow here, so we can read it as gives magnesium oxide. So magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, and magnesium oxide it is represented as MgO. So I am saying once again magnesium. So this in this picture also you can see magnesium ribbon burning. So burning with the help of oxygen, that is why we wrote here magnesium plus oxygen gives. Can you see the ashes here in this picture? That ash is the magnesium oxide. That ash is called magnesium oxide and it is represented by MgO. M capital, G small letter, that is magnesium, and oxygen O. So oxide, we are saying like that, magnesium oxide. Got it, children? So that is the chemical equation for burning magnesium ribbon. It's very, very important. So for studying this chemical equation, how you will study? Write this equation many times. Okay, by reading, okay, you will not get that thing. So by writing many times, you have to write many times in any rough paper, then only you will get this chemical equation. Then collect the ash and mix it with a small amount of water. So we magnesium oxide, that is the ash. So that ash is, first we collect that ash and mix it with water. This change can be written in the form of other equation. Okay, so here second part, magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide, that is the ash. That ash we are going to mix with water. So water equation is H2O. Water is H2O. So magnesium oxide, that ash, mix with water to form magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice. So no need to study this MgOH twice. You just study this magnesium hydroxide. So magnesium plus water gives magnesium hydroxide. So children, this magnesium, first magnesium ribbon, you know what is magnesium ribbon, what is the shape of the magnesium ribbon. So after burning magnesium, we will get that ash, that is magnesium oxide. So from that magnesium oxide or from that ash, we will get back that magnesium ribbon? No, never. Same like when you burned one paper, you get some ashes, black ash. So from the black ash, you will get back the paper? No, you are not a magician. Okay, so you are not get back the original paper. So here also a magnesium ribbon burning, and after magnesium burning, that ash. So that ash is completely different from magnesium ribbon. And so magnesium oxide is a new substance. That ash is a new substance formed on burning of magnesium. Magnesium hydroxide is another new substance formed by mixing magnesium oxide with water. So this why we study or why we see this example for studying the chemical change. So you know that physical change we get no new substance, but in the chemical change we get a new substance. Okay, and that change is irreversible. We cannot get back the original from the new substance. Got it, children? So I am repeating once again because it's a little bit difficult for you because some chemical equations and chemical names are there. So don't worry, read many times and write the equation many times, you will get. Okay, so I'm saying once again, first you just remember that burning of magnesium. Okay, you already saw that. So just remember magnesium ribbon burning means that help with oxygen gas. So magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. So when hearing that magnesium oxide, that ash come to your mind, white ash. In the picture also you can clearly see that white ash is the magnesium oxide. So that is a new substance, that is the completely different from magnesium ribbon. So that is a new substance. So there is happened a chemical change. And when we mix that magnesium oxide with water, we get magnesium hydroxide. And one thing also I want to tell, I am not included in this slide, but that thing in your textbook, just listen that thing. This magnesium hydroxide, when we test with blue litmus paper or red litmus paper, okay, what color change you can observe, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. So here that thing you just remember, because I'm not saying that answer. You studied that magnesium hydroxide is a base. So what color change you can observe by using blue litmus paper and red litmus paper? That answer you have to find it in the next class. Okay, children, you understood what is the thing. Magnesium hydroxide is a base, that I already said. Magnesium hydroxide is a base. So this we tested with blue litmus paper or red litmus paper. What color change we can observe? You already studied that in that last chapter. Okay, so you see that once again and tell that answer in the next class. Okay, so thank you.